Hey food lovers, today we're making the famous Spanish tortilla de patatas, or potato omelette. It might seem simple, potatoes, eggs, maybe onions, but making a perfect tortilla is a real skill. So what's the trick? Today I'm sharing chef secrets to make your tortilla amazing. Let's go. A great tortilla starts with great stuff. Chefs in Spain like kennebec or sour potatoes for their perfect texture. Slice them thin and even, or mix shapes for varied texture. Use good quality eggs. Look for a code starting with 0 or 1. This makes the tortilla taste richer. Olive oil is key. Cook potatoes slowly until soft, and you can use the oil again later. Onions? That's up to you. Cook them until sweet and caramelized. This makes the tortilla extra juicy. Use a good non-stick pan, about 8-10 inches with curved edges. To flip, use a big plate or a special tortilla lid. Follow these steps for a perfect tortilla. Step 1. Cook potatoes slowly in olive oil until soft. Drain the oil and add a little salt. Step 2. Whisk eggs gently. Don't overdo it. Step 3. Mix potatoes, eggs, and onions. Let it sit for 5-10 minutes. Step 4. Pour into the pan over medium heat. Cook until edges are firm. Flip and cook the other side. The inside should be creamy and a little runny, unless you like it firmer. And that's it. A beautiful golden tortilla, soft and full of flavor. Once you get good at this, try adding other things. Ham, spinach, even caviar. There are so many things you can do. If you like these tips, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell for more yummy recipes. Tell us in the comments, do you like onions in your tortilla? See you in the next video. Enjoy!